Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's great to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome tech content like this. Now, what if I told you that you could get a powerful VPS with full root access, completely free, running 24/7, and without ever needing a credit card? I know, it sounds unreal, right? But here's the thing. It's 100% real. Imagine having your own personal cloud server where you can host websites, run bots, mine crypto, or even deploy AI models, all without spending a dime. And the best part? I'm going to show you exactly how to set it all up step by step. No shady shortcuts, no trial limitations, just lifetime access to a high-performance VPS. If you're thinking this is just another clickbait video, trust me, stick around. I'll even share a secret method to supercharge your VPS performance and keep it running nonstop. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Saturn Cloud. Click on the first link to go to their homepage. Make sure you read their terms of service. This is very important. Do not use this VPS for illegal activities. Click on Start for free. You can sign up using your Gmail account, your GitHub account, or a personal email address. I'll choose Continue with Google. No credit card required, completely free. Select the email you want to use, and your account will be created within seconds. You'll then be redirected to your dashboard. Make your selection based on your status and click Continue. Click on Python or New Python server. Give your project a name. Select the hardware for your Jupyter server. CPU is selected by default. Choose your instance size. You'll see details like cores and RAM available. Scroll down and click APT. Click Create, then start on the next page. Setup takes less than 5 minutes, so sit back and relax. Now follow carefully while I take you through the entire process. Make sure you don't miss a thing. Let's go! Then search for Download Llama for Linux. Copy the Linux AMD 64 install command into the terminal. Wait for the bundle to download and install. Once you see congratulations, you're all set to run Llama directly from the terminal. For detailed instructions on installing packages, software, and Python libraries, check out the Satin Cloud documentation. It's your go-to resource. Note, while most features are free, some advanced resources may require payment. And that's it. You now have a fully functional free VPS on Saturn Cloud, 24/7 uptime root access, no credit card required. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more amazing tech content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.